Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with Director Carson. Before I gotta tell you for the next one, today's the first day of summer, tomorrow's my last day of school. I didn't get my friend's phone number, which means I failed to collect my friend's phone number, all of them, except my friends that I already had theirs. People always didn't got their friend's phone number, they'll fail to collect their phone numbers of their friends, all of them. Well, maybe next time in their next school year, so as I. For the next up, Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 13. So anyways, enjoy your video. Sonic Boom. Unlucky Knuckles.
Yeah, who's gonna take it downtown? Knuckles, that's who. Gonna pour Sonic a hurt tonic, and the pain is gonna be chronic. Okay, we get it. Tails, you flip it. Not sure I trust this guy.
Tails are gonna do heads and tails.
Lucky.
Lucky for Sonic.
Nothing, Sonic.
Oh, come on!
Unlucky for Knuckles.
What? You gotta factor in bird migration. Let's go for ball 101. That's totally unfair.
Maybe you need to work on your swing.
You kidding me? This has nothing to do with my swing. It has everything to do with luck.
Oh yeah, it's about luck, not swing.
Knuckles, I see you're upset, but...
Don't bother trying to get me to talk about my feelings.
Actually, I was going to try to get you to stop killing my grass.
Sonic the Luck Monkey beat me in Gopher Ball by getting totally lucky.
I thought you didn't want to talk about your feelings.
I don't. I just want to yell.
We all get into a slump now and then.
I'm not in a slump.
Oh, really? How many times have you lost to Sonic this week?
I told you I don't want to talk about this.
Maybe. There's a disturbance in the luck balance of the universe.
That could happen? Stupid universe.
What you need to do
Hey, don't say that, Knuckles. Universe is good.
As much bad luck as you can, as fast as you can, to speed up shifting the luck balance of the universe back the way it was before this all happened. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. Shift the luck balance of the universe? Really?
I am so there. I can't believe I never thought of this before.
Wait, is that a landscape of desert from Season 1, Episode 1?
When the luck balance of the universe...
Yeah, it's from Season 1, Episode 1. I was right.
As quickly as possible to shift it back. It's like one of those things. When you hear it, you're like, duh, that's so obvious. Listen plays to my strengths of taking horrible... brutal punishment.
Oof, man, Knuckles gonna get sting a lot. Sounds like sting injuries.
Oh man, Knuckles. You okay? Am I okay? Are you okay, you mean? Or are you getting too nervous about the Gopher Ball beatdown headed here? Oh, Give me a minute. It's hard to trash talk with a punctured lung. Looks to me like you're not in much condition to play anything.
You only think I'm not in much condition to... whatever you said. But in fact, I finally tipped the luck balance of the universe back in my favor. Your lucky streak is over, Sonic. Brace yourself, my friend, because there's nothing but sunny skies ahead for this...
Who threw a fridge?
Even with a mind as powerful as mine, it's important to keep the reflexes honed. That's why you robots will serve as my opponents in this training exercise. On your mark, get set,
Go!
go!
That's what I said, Dr. Eggman.
Oh, ow! Is someone stepping on my mustache? Wait, no one's stepping on your...
Ooh, looks like they got laser shotted.
In the luck balance of the universe.
Oh no, the meteor shower is back, but it only hits on the landscape desert,
He's going to hurt
not
himself.
on the town from season 1, episode 5.
What else you got? I'll talk some sense into him. Leave it to me. Lux, you're wasting your time with this luck stuff. I've been beating you lately entirely due to skill. Luck, skill, luck, skill. Like the way I beat you in this argument just now.
You didn't win yet because I'm still saying the word luck. Luck!
Skill.
Can we discuss this somewhere else?
Sonic and his friends always defeat me by the slimmest of margins. But with the luck balance of the universe shifted entirely in my favor, there's never been a better time to attack. So let us attack this instant with everything we got. Bring the Mega.
Sticks, you've got to help us make Knuckles stop right away. He's going to get hurt. Not if he shifts the luck
Yeah,
balance
he's
of the
gonna get
universe
injury.
again.
You
And
gotta
when he does
help him,
that,
Stick.
he'll probably be eaten by a carnivorous plant and slowly digested over a period of weeks or months.
I mean,
And
6.
we agree that's not good,
Her
right?
name.
I can pick a worse, but I've got confidence in him. Confidence in a guy who believes your crazy theory? Did you just call my theory crazy?
So, Nux, I was kind of hoping we could get you to stop this nonsense before an asteroid pulverizes you into baby food. Any suggestions?
Admit that luck is the only reason you've been beating me all this time.
How about we have a rematch right now? Skill versus skill. Go ahead, take your shot.
Unless the meteor shower is over.
Don't you feel the ground rumbling?
Nice try, Lucky. Okay, that there was a little weird. I'll give you that.
A little? Are you kidding me? Magnificent! The invasion is going swimmingly, and me without my floaties on. Note to self, need hip or diabolical banter.
So, Eggman, what makes you think this stuff will go any better than the last dozen or so you've pulled?
The luck balance of the universe, that's what.
What? You believe that stuff too?
Sorry I'm late. What can I do to you? I'm unscathed. I'm a little schwitzy, but no matter. It's also laundry day. Today is my lucky day. Oh, you guys okay? Wow, that was nuts. I can't believe that.
We had him cornered. What are you doing here?
Helping?
You're not helping. You're just bad luck. I have an idea. Since you and your
Well,
bad
Knuckles
luck are
went
on our side,
unlucky.
why don't you just join Eggman and make it official?
Fine. That's what you're gonna be about it? I'm gonna work with someone who appreciates me.
Knuckles, come back!
Hold up. Let's let this play out.
Attention, Billy. Your panicked screaming and fear-addled hysteria have so charmed and delighted me these past few moments that I wish to extend my appreciation by debuting for you my most extravagant ode to destruction yet. Behold, the Mega!
Wait a
I
second.
call him that because
Is
he's
that the
the
robot
biggest
from
robot.
season 1, episode 3?
I'm through with
If you
Sonic.
think so,
I'm
then
joining your side.
you know. If you don't think so, then you'll check on season 1, episode 3 that you've seen
Good
this.
luck. Pretty cool robot. New? Yeah, nice, right? Safe to say my best ever.
What the? Is it dead already? It might explode on the head.
Never really
Or not.
tested it in the
It's
field,
still alive.
But the designs look really sound. So I figured with this string of good luck I've been having.
Actually, never mind. It went finish
Now it's
himself.
tested and I don't have to clean up the mess. Good luck with that, suckers!
Wow. Bad luck follows me wherever I go.
Or is it good luck? After all, our side won.
But I was on the other side. No, you weren't. I sent you on a secret mission for us. It was so secret, even I didn't know about it.
Yeah, you see, you switched sides, and your bad luck overpowered Eggman's good luck, but you were really on our side, so by losing, you won.
Wow. Yeah. You know what I've been wondering, though?
Where crazy luck theories come from?
When the bad luck leaves me, where does it go?
Tails, are you in injury?
Explanation for this.
Looks like Tails needs to go to hospital. Anyways, Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 13, Unlucky Knuckles, the end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'll make some more videos. Before I have to go, I had to say happy first day of summer. So, goodbye.